All right, first thing that we are going to do is we are going to type Admob. We are going to choose the first option. Either you use the sign up button or you use the get started button. So I use this one. So I've already signed in my Google account. That is why it's showing me this. If I've not signed in, it might ask you to sign in. So I'm going to click on this on my password. Next. So we're going to select the country here. I'm in Nigeria, so I've selected my country. Consider say yes here. No. So it so this I just say just click on I have read, accept accept the agreement. So click on start using Admob. We are viewing your info. Okay. So just go ahead, click on continue to Admob. Click on get started. So what kind of app are we developing? It's Android, not iOS. I, iOS is for people that are developing iPhone versions. So for now we are doing Android. So we choose Android. Now they're asking us, have we published our app on any of the app store? So what we're going to choose now is no, because our app have not been published either in Play Store or App Store. Continue. Now, what is our app name? The name that we're going to name our app, okay? And just say, okay, and then click on add app. Done. Okay, you can see it have brought us to our main interface. So right now we are going to go to payments, go and set up payment profile. Go to click add payment account. So I prefer you use it, you leave it at individual. Okay, leave it at individual. So this is my name already here. So I can put my address now. Address 2. Suburb. Suburb means your closest, like your last bus stop, the last bus stop where close to your house. Okay, so that is suburb. So I can put mine. So if your last bus stop is close to your house, that's the name of the place you're going to. So city, and put Port Harcourt. Now postcode. Postcode means the postal code. Like postal offices are places that when somebody sends a product or anything from the US or a foreign country, they send it to that postal office. You go there to collect it. Especially Google when they send or all those online, or platforms. So when they send something to you, that's where it goes. Okay. So you go to So the postal office code now within that area is what you're going to put. So let's say for instance I stay in Woji and I know that the city Woji is close to my house. So what I'm going to search now is Woji postal code. Okay. So when they give me the code, I'm going to put it here. So I already know my own. So I'm going to put it like this. It's always 6 digits. Okay. If you're not from Nigeria, you can just search the nearest city close to you. You search for the postal code online. So select your state, put your phone number. All right, go ahead and submit. All right, so we have successfully set up our payment information. So go back to home. So they said here your account is being verified and it takes up to 24 hours to get verified. So we have to wait till 24 hours to get verified. So we are done with the creating of account. Okay, we have to wait for the approval. When they approve it, it's going to show here that your account has been approved. Okay, then you know that it is ready to use. Okay, so this is how to create an Admob account. In the next video, I will show you how to link how to create what is called add unit. This is where you see it. You have to come here, apps, select your app here. Then look, this is the add unit. This add unit. So this is where you will create it, or I can include it on this video so that I will not let me just include it. So you have seen how I got this Admob. I just go, let me go back to the home. So I just click on apps, click on select your app here, flashlight, then you select add units. So click on get started. So under this get started, this is called banner, this is called interstitial, and this is called rewarded interstitial. Rewarded, this is native, and this is app open at. So in our app that we are going to create, we are going to use this one here and this one here. Okay, we're going to use these two, and we can include this one as well. Okay, so we can also include all of them, but we don't want to overload the app with too much of ads. You understand? Because it will be users will not like it. Okay, so we're going to use this one and this one. Okay, possibly this one here. So how do you create an add unit? First of all, you're going to select. So since this add, the name of this add unit is banner, so we're going to say banner one. Okay, great. So right here, this is the code that we're going to use. These two code, okay, is what you're going to use. This one is the main add unit that you just created, and this one is your app code, your app ID. Okay, each of those add unit that you created, you must see this one. Okay, this is the only thing that is going to change. So this is your app unit, and this is your app ID, and this is your add unit. Okay, so you're going to click on done. So this add unit, we are going to use it to implement into the app that we are going to create. Okay, so now without this add unit, your app cannot show ads. You understand? Your app cannot show ads and you cannot earn anything from your app. So we must implement this code, this ID into the app that we're going to create for it to enable us to earn money. You understand? So I'm going to stop here from now. For now, I'm going to stop here for now. So this is how to create an Admob account.